Hey there, I'm Alex, your host at PickDG, and I'm absolutely thrilled to welcome you to our channel. Get ready for an amazing tech journey with me. In today's video, we have an exciting lineup for you, the top 5 3D printers currently dominating the market. If you're new to the PickDG family, we're here to guide you through the world of cutting-edge technology. Our goal is to help you navigate the options and make informed decisions that perfectly align with your specific needs. All the products we discuss in this video will be conveniently linked in the description below. To stay updated with the latest information and content, make sure to subscribe to our channel and enable the notification bell. By doing so, you'll never miss a single video. We hope you'll find this video both informative and enjoyable. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments. We value your feedback. Now that you're all set, let's dive in together and explore the best 3D printers on the market. The Uniformation J2, it features an impressive 8K monochrome LCD panel, 29.7 mxy resolution, and a 228.1 by 128.3 by 245 mm build size. The printer offers an automatic heating system, built-in air filter, and a flip-up cover for convenient printing. It has a user-friendly 5-inch touchscreen, quick-release VAT system, and high print resolution for detailed results. The J2 also includes a pre-leveled build plate, anti-drip lip design, and a reliable NFEP film. With its 10.3-inch 8K LCD screen, it delivers impressive performance. Remarkably, no specific cons were found during research, suggesting a reliable and well-rounded product. Overall, the Uniformation J2 is a highly capable Resin 3D printer suitable for professional applications and desktop users who value exceptional print quality and user-friendly features. In conclusion, the Uniformation 8K Resin 3D printer J2 stands out with its cutting-edge specifications and impressive features. The 8K monochrome LCD panel, coupled with a high XY resolution, ensures exceptional print quality and intricate details. The large build size allows for the creation of bigger models, while the automatic heating system and built-in air filter contribute to a more consistent and enjoyable printing experience. The AnkerMake M5 3D printer, it boasts a spacious 220mm x 220mm x 250mm build volume, making it capable of printing larger objects. This printer utilizes fused deposition modeling, FDM, technology and features a 0.4mm nozzle diameter, enabling precise and detailed prints. It offers compatibility with popular filament types such as PLA, ABS, and TPU, allowing for a wide range of material options. One of the standout features is the heated print bed, which ensures improved adhesion and minimizes the risk of warping, resulting in higher quality prints. The user-friendly interface simplifies the printing process, making it accessible even for beginners. However, it's important to note that the AnkerMake M5 3D printer may require manual leveling of the print bed, which can be time-consuming. Additionally, some users have reported occasional inconsistencies in print quality, requiring adjustments and fine-tuning. Nevertheless, the AnkerMake M5 3D printer remains a reliable and affordable option for both novice users and experienced enthusiasts. Its large build volume, compatibility with different filaments, and heated print bed contribute to its appeal, despite the minor drawbacks of manual bed leveling and occasional print quality issues. The Elegoo Mars 3 Pro is a compact desktop Resin 3D printer with a build volume of 5.64 inches by 3.52 inches by 6.89 inches. It uses DLP photopolymer resin and a 405 nm UV LED light source. The masking LCD has a resolution of 4098 by 2560px on a 6.6-inch screen. Interacting with the printer is easy with the 3.5-inch capacitive LCD touchscreen. It has a 35-micron XY axis resolution. Pros include a replaceable air purification module, compatibility with various resin types, and a scratch-resistant 4K LCD. It also comes with a toolkit and has a simple leveling process. Cons include residual resin odor and the need to avoid UV light exposure. Overall, the Elegoo Mars 3 Pro offers convenient features and reliable performance for Resin 3D printing. Specifications of the Anycubic Photon Mono 2, It has a build volume of 165 by 89 by 143 mm, a 6.6-inch monochrome LCD screen, a parallel matrix light source, 34 microns XY axis resolution, 2.5 seconds normal exposure time, a 2.8 touch panel interface, USB Type-A 2.0 connectivity, a machine footprint of 390 by 229 by 235 mm, and a machine weight of 4 kilograms. Pros of the Anycubic Photon Mono 2: it's affordable, offers high-resolution prints, is easy to use with a user-friendly touch panel interface, has a compact design, and comes with improved features like a larger build volume and higher resolution screen. Cons of the Anycubic Photon Mono 2: it has plastic construction, which may affect durability, and limited connectivity options with only USB Type-A 2.0 support. In conclusion, the Anycubic Photon Mono 2 is an excellent entry-level resin 3D printer, ideal for beginners or those with a limited budget. It provides high-resolution prints, easy setup, and a compact design. While it has some drawbacks like plastic construction and limited connectivity, its affordability and improved features make it a worthwhile choice. The Creality Ender-3 is an affordable and popular DIY 3D printer. It has an aluminum frame, uses FDM technology, and features a Cartesian XZ head setup. The printer supports layer heights from 100 to 400 microns and has a maximum print speed of 200 mm per second with a print precision of plus or minus 100 microns. It utilizes a single extruder with a Bowden feeder and can reach a maximum extruder temperature of 491 degrees Fahrenheit 255 degrees Celsius. Compatible with 1.75 mm filaments like PLA, PETG, ABS, and TPU, the Ender-3 has a magnetic, removable heated bed and requires manual bed leveling. Its print area measures 220 by 220 by 250 mm, and it offers connectivity through SD card and USB. The printer includes an LCD screen and features a print recovery function. Pros of the Ender-3 include its affordability, open-source design for customization, decent build volume, support for various filament materials, and user-friendly features like print recovery. However, potential cons include possible adhesion issues with ABS-type materials, the need for manual bed leveling, and occasional wobbling problems reported by some users. Despite these drawbacks, the Creality Ender-3 remains a highly recommended and budget-friendly option for those interested in 3D printing. Thank you for joining us in this video from PicDG. We hope you found our exploration of the top 5 3D printers both informative and enjoyable. We appreciate your continued support and engagement with our channel. If you liked what you saw today, we kindly ask you to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and loved ones, helping them discover the world of cutting-edge 3D printers. We value your feedback, so please feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Your input helps us improve and bring you even better content in the future. Thank you once again for being a part of the PicDG community. We look forward to bringing you more exciting videos in the future. See you soon, and have a great day.